happy hour from 3 to 6?
No.
3 to 6 is crazy. Do you know how much damage you can do from 3 to 6? This is delicious. I love the salad. I think it masked it. A little chewy. Better with the cocktail sauce. Calamari's not that bad. I'm gonna try the eggplant and shrimp now. I love that. Let's try French fry.
Good. Admiring her.
I'm admiring my fry. Good fry. Burger. This is amazing. Simple, straightforward. Meat, cheese, bun. Cooked medium well. So good. It's MrsGlass on YouTube and everywhere else. All right, 10 out of 10. Bye.